Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Friday, January 25, 2019. We are close to beginning to see a glimmer of the end of the tunnel that has been varnishing all of the components of the 1957 23-foot Lyman Runabout. So we used to have a showroom in this shop. I guess that is a long past reality. But Joe and RJ had an ingenious idea, one that effectively almost doubles the capacity of this room to hold pieces needing varnish. This boat's ceilings are comprised of, Joe, what is it, 26?
Yes.
26 16.5 foot individual planks, plus a series of little shorties. And, well, why don't I just hand it off to Joe, and he can talk to you a little bit about where we are in the process and the hope we have for next Monday.
Yeah, so these ceiling boards have actually been a really long process. We actually had to sand them all, and we applied, it was roughly about 12 coats of the nice clear varnish. And we had to sand them again to make it so that the last couple of coats will make it look very, nice and flat. And actually it's turned out really well, especially these racks. We have them pitched in at an angle so that when it's drying, we're not getting dust fall on anything. So if it's pitched over like this, it allows dust to fall down but not to land on the planks themselves. And it's actually worked out quite well. We're almost done. We probably got another coat after this, and these should be finished, hopefully.
And it's going to be amazing because actually installing these, since they were all installed once before, is going to be a tiny fraction of what it's taken to prepare them for installation.
Absolutely.
Yep.
The other thing you want to watch out for on these, when you're going for your last couple of coats, when you're putting your varnish on, you don't want to overwhelm it, and you actually want it to be a little bit on the waterier side, because you will get runs and drips, especially when they're laying vertical. And you want to make sure that you're getting all edges of it, because you will get drips from one plank to the next.
Well, we're excited for next week. We'll at least be able to get the ceilings on, and we've got some of the interior components, jump seat components and others that are close to being ready for installation. But of course, every one of these pieces that is now nicely varnished on one side is waiting to be varnished on the other side. All of these pieces right here, yep, we've got jump seats, and the rest of these are, well, there's another pair of jump seat components. These will comprise the two lockers. These are ribbon cut, genuine mahogany plywood. For the inside of the lockers, we'll apply probably three coats, good heavy coats of varnish, so that we can seal the insides. But we're not, in truth, going to attempt a show finish on the inside of the lockers. But we've got windshield components there. Oh, we got a little intruder from Susan, the 1940 Lyman. The engine box is just going to be exquisite. The owners have chosen a configuration for the cushions that I think is Lyman's best, and that is the Lyman off-white will be the color of choice for the cushions themselves, front, back, and all the way around the sides, and the piping will be Lyman red. If you reach back into our videos for the 1955 20-foot Lyman Runabout, you'll be able to see exactly what we will be installing and having fabricated for cushions. The bimini will complement the seat cushions. And spring can't be that far away, can it? So that's our update on the varnishing of all the components that comprise the seating in the 1957 23-foot Lyman Runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.